In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Adobe Photoshop through Adobe Creative Cloud. Let's get straight into it. First, search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download in your browser. Open the official Adobe page and download the Creative Cloud installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and begin the setup process. During installation, click Continue and wait for the progress to finish. You may be asked a few setup questions, simply skip them to proceed faster. After everything is installed, launch Adobe Creative Cloud. Now sign in using your preferred method. You can use Google, Facebook, or any other available option. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Click Done when prompted. Next, go to the top right corner and open the Apps section. From there, navigate to Beta Apps where you may find Photoshop available. Click on Try if it appears. You'll then be given a few plan options. Select the appropriate option and continue. Follow the on-screen steps by entering the required details, such as account or organization information, then proceed. After completing the setup, click Install and wait for Photoshop to download and install on your system. Once finished, simply open the application and start using it for your editing work. And that's it, Photoshop is now ready to use through Creative Cloud. You can repeat similar steps with other Adobe apps as well. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.